Now we have live pictures tonight from our Embassy Suites camera, and you can see dark, ominous clouds over Sacramento. We have live team coverage of the wild weather across the region. We begin tonight with CBS 13's Christine Hansen with what to expect. Christine, this is crazy.
It is crazy. We saw a little bit of rain on Thursday. Now the cold upper level portion of that storm system has been circulating in the Pacific Northwest the last couple of days, picking up cold air, bullseye over Northern California. And look at all the cloud-to-ground lightning. We have seen dime-sized hail, thunder, some funnel clouds, and this is where all of this is moving along Interstate 80. This has been a particularly active cell over the last hour, and we've also got some showers and, of course, some funnel cloud earlier today near Yuba City and Plumas Lake. Now that's pushing eastward and into the Lincoln area, and then off to the north of Highway 80, we've got a pocket of heavy rain for Auburn. Also, the foothills being blasted with this as this cold air runs into the foothills. We've got some lightning and thunder, and that continues in the foothills with, again, numerous lightning strikes. A very heavy pocket of rain right now in Stockton, 8 Mile Road in Davis, and that's pushing off to the east. So this June storm will continue to generate PM thunderstorms. That means throughout the afternoon, evening hours with strong gusty winds. And Curtis, we're going to track this storm system, tell you the direction it's moving, how long we can anticipate this, and look ahead to a much different 7-day forecast coming up.